Let's begin with a general discussion of information questions. There are two kinds of questions that are most common in English: yes/no questions and information questions. So what are yes/no questions? A yes/no question is a question that has only two answers, yes or no. The first word of a yes/no question is a helping verb followed by the subject. The answer includes a subject and the same helping verb as the question. Do you enjoy sports? Yes, I do. Can you speak Spanish? No, I can't. Now, you can answer yes/no questions with other words, but they basically mean yes or no. For example, probably, I think so, basically mean yes. I doubt it, maybe not. These basically just mean no. So what are information questions? Information questions are formed like yes/no questions, with a helping verb, a subject, and a main verb. But in front of the helping verb, you add a WH question word, like who, when, why, which, what, where, how, whose. For example, who will you go with? Where are you learning hula? How did you come to school today? You can end a question with who or what and a preposition. Who did you do your project with? With Megan. Who asks about Megan. What should I put these in? In a plastic bag. What asks about a plastic bag. However, you cannot end a question with when or where and a preposition. When and where replace the entire prepositional phrase, not just the noun. For example, where did you go last weekend? To the beach. To is a part of the answer. When should we meet? On Monday morning. On is a part of when. Questions with why ask about the reason. They're usually answered with because. Why did you leave early? Because I felt a little sick. Why is Kevin wearing a suit? Because he has a job interview. Now, in conversational English, it's fine to answer with just because. Why were you late? Because traffic was really bad this morning. However, when you write the adverb clause with because, this is the cause, it must be connected to the main clause, the effect, in one sentence. For example, I was late for work because traffic was really bad this morning. This is correct, one sentence. However, I was late for work, period, because traffic was really bad this morning, period. No, this doesn't work as two sentences. It must be written as one sentence. Finally, questions with how ask about the method or way something was done. They are often answered with by or with. For example, how did you get to Osaka? By Shinkansen. How will you do your presentation? With PowerPoint. I think that's enough for part 1. So go ahead and do the exercises, and I'll see you in part 2.